The average person today generates about 4.5 pounds of solid waste daily. With an estimated population in the state of Maryland alone at 6 million, that's a lot of garbage. Since 1990, the number of active landfills in the state has decreased from 75 to less than 30, a drop of 60%. Regulations and the Not in My Backyard or NIMBY syndrome have made it difficult to site new landfills and expand existing ones. In the meantime, current capacity is being used faster than ever. With the changing laws and environmental benefits of recycling, there's an increased focus on recycling. Single-stream recycling, placing all recyclables into one collection receptacle, makes it convenient for local residents and businesses in Prince George's County and is a vital component for the county and waste management. Prince George's County is committed to reducing, diverting, and recycling as much material from the waste stream as possible, with a goal of zero waste. The county has approximately 800,000 residents, with over 164,000 households receiving recycling service. The Materials Recycling Facility, which is owned by the county, opened as a dual-stream plant in October 1993, but was converted to a single-stream facility in November 2007. Today, it receives materials from the county and the surrounding D.C. metropolitan area. The facility in Capitol Heights, Maryland, is approximately 65,000 square feet and can process more than 600 tons of recyclable materials per day. This includes newspaper, cardboard, aluminum, glass, and plastics. The processing facility is equipped with new state-of-the-art equipment, allowing waste management to process what is termed single-stream recycling, or materials that have been mixed together, such as various types of paper products and household containers. The program generating the most participation is residential curbside recycling collection. It is the easiest way to recycle. Each household is provided with a recycling container that is then filled with paper products, aluminum, plastic, and glass bottles, jars, and cans. The paper products include newspaper, cardboard, and chipboard, which includes cereal boxes, aseptic gable-top milk, and juice cartons, telephone books, frozen food containers, hard and soft-covered books, junk mail, magazines, and other types of paper. The containers include plastic, glass, aluminum, steel and tin cans, bottles, and jars. Plastic containers include yogurt cups, water and soda bottles, detergent containers, drinking cups, and any narrow neck container with a resin identification number of 1 through 7. It also includes food and beverage containers made from aluminum, bimetal, ferrous and steel, as well as aerosol cans. Residents set their receptacles at the curb on their regularly scheduled pickup day. All materials, fiber, and containers are loaded together into a collection truck. The single-stream process eliminates the need for sorting these materials by the residents, and by placing into separate collection containers, it allows for the most efficient system available today. The materials are then brought to the county recycling facility, where they're weighed and recorded according to where they were collected. The trucks then enter the recycling plant, where their loads are emptied onto the tipping floor. Now the materials are ready for processing. They are first fed into the main conveyor, then directed to several sorting areas. The first one is for non-recyclable materials, including large objects. The recyclables then pass through disc screens, which are designed to push certain materials over the top of these discs, while other materials fall in between or through the discs onto another conveyor. The larger pieces of cardboard are removed by this screen and sent directly to a storage area for future baling. The remaining recyclables are then sent to a sort area called the combination screen, which separates paper materials from the rigid household containers. The first section removes most of the newspaper, including inserts and advertisements. The paper is then filtered onto a processing line where any materials other than newspaper are manually sorted. The sorting lines are elevated so that materials taken off the line can be sorted in bunkers beneath it. This product automatically falls into the final bunkers. When these are filled, They are fed into the baler, which compresses the material and ties automatically. The back section of this screen makes the final separation of mixed fiber from the rigid containers. The mixed fiber consists of items like cereal boxes, junk mail, and magazines, which are sent to a line where a final manual sort is performed. Containers are directed to a sorting line, where remaining paper products are manually removed. Next, a magnet extracts the steel cans. Then, the material is fed into another screen that breaks and removes the glass materials, which are transferred by conveyor to an outside storage area. The remaining materials, consisting primarily of plastic containers and aluminum cans, are then sent across an eddy current separator that creates a magnetic field to propel the aluminum cans across a diverter and into a storage bunker for baling. The remaining plastic is then sent to a processing area where a high-tech system utilizes advanced optical sorting technology to identify the type of plastic. Once the bunkers are filled, the contents are released onto one of the main baler conveyors. This compresses the material and uses wire to tie it into bales. These are stored and then loaded onto trailers to be delivered to the end user, which maintains strict quality limits. The removal of contamination is a very important part of production. Aluminum is made into new cans in approximately 60 days. Fiber-based products are shipped domestically and internationally. Prince George's County is committed to providing a wide range of quality services. Staff continually works with residents and businesses to ensure prompt, safe, and convenient disposal to protect our environment. Curbside collection and the material processing facility are prime examples of Prince George's County and Waste Management's commitment to quality recycling. The Prince George's County Materials Recycling Facility is available for tours, kindergarten through postgraduate, civic and professional groups, local residents, and even international delegations.